Good evening, Zim writers. People keep bringing up a question to me about someone from Google making a comment, making a claim about how backlinks aren't all that important anymore. Now, there's a lot of patents. This is one of them. Other ones talk about how backlinks decay over time, something you don't really hear many people talk about, but the weight and the strength of those backlinks decay over time based on the age of the page. So anyways, that's a whole other patent. I can go into that in another time. Someone made an interesting comment, and I think it's kind of funny, and I don't know if I agree or not, but the making a comment that backlinks don't really have an effect upon SEO, or however the comment was made, just sounds like a young man. Maybe he had a few too much to drink at a party and just saying some shit because he can. Forgive my language, but I wouldn't put much credence into that. I know I can rank things without backlinks, and other people have as well. But I know very well and clear that backlinks do have an effect. The popularity of a site, user interaction time, all of that. So I wouldn't put too much stress and worry and thinking into that. See what happens. But that's a pretty bold claim for someone to make. I just wouldn't put much credence into it. There's too many patents and data and even real world testing that show drop a backlink and you can see an instant change in ranking, especially if that backlink brings any form of user engagement. But always do your research. A lot of people like to say things, and do some research. A lot of people also make claims about what they're capable of or what they're talking about. Do some research. Ask to see a patent. Ask to see facts, not just theory and ideas and opinions. I mean, you can have them generally for the most part, and that's great. You have user experience. That's great. But when you're making some huge claims on anything, extraordinary claims require extraordinary proof. That's what science is about. It's about repeating experiments and getting the same results over and over again. And I think anyone who's been in this industry for more than any amount of time can see very much how much backlinks play an effect. And if you're also curious too, this patent's been cited in so many other patents. I mean, this exact patent from Google has been cited as reasons for including other patents by Google themselves. So, I'm not sure. Based on local interconnectivity, detecting query-specific duplicate documents, detecting duplicate and near duplicate files. Serving relevant advertisements. There we go. Advertising system. Let's see here. The relevance of advertising. I know I get easily distracted, but I like information. I like facts. It just everything becomes very clear at that point. So it's exciting and woohoo as all these news articles are going out and making claims. I don't know. I'm sure someone said it. I'm sure someone worked at Google. I have an employee badge at Google. Anyways, like, share, subscribe, check out the course. And yeah, I appreciate you all so very much.